You want to tell the subscribers?
Don't get round thingies.
Golf balls?
Yeah.
Why?
Because there's alligators in the water.
What's up, everyone? We're out here at the Continental Country Club. Right, Alexis?
Yeah.
We're doing a video for them of their golf course and a few other things. They're having a Pro-Am this weekend, which is kind of cool. So we're going to show you a little bit about it. My drone is updating, of course, and we can't fly around today, but we're going to check out the course and all the stuff that they have going on for this weekend with the Pro-Am tournament. That way I'll know what we're actually going to be shooting. So far the course actually looks really good and what they have to offer.
It could even be like one drop in the rain, and stuff like that.
Why do you like the golf course?
Because we drive in the road. I mean the sidewalk.
On the golf cart?
Yeah.
And because of what? All the water?
Yeah.
Is it green out here?
A little.
A little green?
Yeah.
It's pretty green.
Yeah. Okay.
And fancy, right?
Mhm.
Like real fancy?
Yeah. Well, we're sitting on this like little bench.
Sitting on a little bench.
It's like a swinging bench, or what's it call them? They're like little slings, and they're so much fun to walk on. We're walking on them right now.
Yep.
So, Steve's out here.
Steve's out here.
He's my cousin. He's one of my cousins.
Yep. He's one of Alexis's cousins.
Daddy's too.
Yep. Daddy's cousin too.
Like we're like walking some places, and look, Daddy.
What?
What is that?
I don't know. It looks like a big old dragonfly.
Is it real?
No. We're going to get out here later this week and do some more videos, right?
Yep.
A lot of drone videos.
Steve's out here looking at the water and stuff like
Yeah.
that.
Steve's looking for alligators. We'll do some drone videos out here and look at the course. Probably do a drone video of each hole.
Well,
How it would look if you played it.
I'm looking at the water so I can see some fish. I don't know if there's any fish, Daddy. Is there?
Oh, I'm sure there's fish.
Fish in the water. I don't know if there's any in there, but we're in all kinds of waters, oceans.
Yeah, oceans. Oceans are out here. And a lot of fountains.
Mhm.
And we'll do drone video of each hole so that you can see each hole individually later this week, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Steve's here, like driving, and Daddy's. They're taking turns.
Yeah, we're taking turns.
Mhm. Sitting on this, it's like it turns not to a walking chair.
Yeah. Say bye, Alexis.
Bye.
You want to tell the subscribers?
don't get the round thingies.
Golf balls?
Yeah,
Why?
because there's alligators in the water.
Yep, that's right.